Staying in building 3000. Staying in room 3107. So just a little room tour, 3107 here at the Squire. Start here with the bathroom. They got soap. And they have the things on the wall also. But it looks like a nice shower. Of course, towels, a huge 3-sided mirror. It's pretty cool. Got a newspaper, a little bench, the 2 queen beds, thermostat, nice big TV, got a microwave. This little dresser here, refrigerator. Got a little freezer area in the refrigerator also. Remote control, telephone. Got a Keurig with a few coffees here, lamp, and then outside it is a pool view. So we get a pool view. Jacuzzi, it's like some beanbag toss. So, pretty nice. There's also a closet, with hangers, and there is an ironing board and an iron. Look at the lobby. It's a restaurant. Lobby area. Store. There's a pub here. It's not quite open yet. Got an arcade. Oh, skee ball. I'd have to do this later. There's also a bowling alley. Outside here, you have all this beanbag toss. Some ping pong tables. Those giant chess games. Pool bar. Swings. And then you got pool and the jacuzzi. This is just the outdoor pool and jacuzzi. A little bit better of a view of the pool. There. Like a seating area. There's people in the jacuzzi, so don't want to film that at this time. This is the jacuzzi and pool area. No one's in it now. So I decided I'd take a little bit better of a view. And my final analysis. Checking out of my room. It was pretty good. I mean, as most of these reviews, I didn't spend much time at the resort, but I did utilize the indoor and outdoor pools. They were nice. I did go to dinner at the restaurant. It was very good. So, overall, I give it a thumbs up.